Hidden Woodworking Techniques from Japan. Unveiling Ancient Secrets. Ever wondered how Japanese woodworkers create such intricate and seamless designs? Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the hidden world of Japanese woodworking, revealing ancient techniques passed down through generations. These methods, often unseen, are the key to unlocking the beauty and ingenuity of this timeless craft. Imagine a world where wood joins wood with perfect harmony, without the need for nails or glue. Japanese woodworking is renowned for its precision, artistry, and deep respect for natural materials. This video isn't just about the surface, it's about the hidden techniques that underpin the stunning results. We'll explore rarely seen methods that have shaped Japanese woodworking for centuries. Get ready to discover the secrets behind this captivating art form. Wabi-sabi is more than just a concept. It's a philosophy that permeates Japanese art and culture. It embraces imperfection, transience, and the beauty of natural materials. In woodworking, wabi-sabi means celebrating the unique grain patterns and knots in the wood. It's about finding beauty in the imperfect, creating pieces that feel authentic and timeless. Consider a handcrafted wooden bowl, its surface revealing the story of the tree it came from. This embrace of natural imperfections is central to the wabi-sabi aesthetic, resulting in pieces that possess a unique character and charm. The Kooi Nuki technique is a marvel of Japanese woodworking. It allows woodworkers to join pieces of wood together without using nails, screws, or glue. This method relies on precisely cut joints that interlock and hold together through friction and pressure. The result is a seamless and incredibly strong connection. Imagine the skill required to create such intricate joints. The Kooi Nuki technique is a testament to the ingenuity and precision of Japanese woodworkers. Its historical significance lies in its ability to create durable and beautiful structures that have stood the test of time. Hoshi Zukuri, meaning star-making, is a method that focuses on intricate patterns and geometric designs. These designs are often inspired by nature and hold symbolic meaning. Creating Hoshi Zukuri designs requires meticulous cutting and fitting. Each piece must be perfectly shaped to create the desired pattern. The symbolic meaning of Hoshi Zukuri is deeply rooted in Japanese culture. These patterns often represent harmony, balance, and the interconnectedness of all things. The method showcases the deep connection between Japanese aesthetics and the natural world. Today, modern Japanese woodworkers are finding new ways to incorporate these traditional techniques. They are blending ancient methods with contemporary designs. From furniture to sculptures, these techniques add a unique touch to modern creations. The result is a fusion of tradition and innovation. Consider a modern chair crafted using traditional Japanese joinery techniques. This piece would not only be functional, but also a work of art, showcasing the enduring beauty of these ancient methods. We've only scratched the surface of the hidden world of Japanese woodworking. These techniques represent a rich legacy of skill, artistry, and respect for natural materials. The beauty of Japanese woodworking lies not only in the finished product, but also in the process. It's a journey of patience, precision, and a deep connection to the wood itself. Now it's your turn to explore the world of Japanese woodworking. Research these techniques further, experiment with your own projects, and share your creations with the world. Let's keep the legacy of Japanese woodworking alive for generations to come. Inspired by the hidden techniques of Japanese woodworking? Dive deeper. Share your own woodworking projects inspired by these techniques on social media using Japanese woodworking secrets. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of traditional crafts and unlock your creative potential today.